Hi folks, this is Minca. I'm standing in the river here in Minca, Colombia, up in the mountains. Beautiful Rio here, the Minca. Beautiful crystal clear Rio. Let me get out of the water here. Okay, here we go. Crossing the Toucan Bridge here by the Rio. So this is the river trail here. So you can hike down here or go up. We're going to take the high route. So here's the Toucan Bridge over the Rio. This is very close to downtown Minca, which is a small little town. So if you want to do the river walk, this is where you would go. You got two sides, this side or that side. So I'm going to head up to the bridge here. This Rio has many little falls, so here's a little waterfall, if you call it that, or rapids. A friend of mine just bought a house here, actually, right on the river. There's a bamboo, lots of bamboo here. Punto al Toucan, Toucan Point. So I'll end this video here, and you know what I say? I'm working on it. Not really, but yes I am. And you take care from lovely Minca, Colombia, just above Santa Marta. You take care.